Santosh. I got a GRE score of 151 in verbal and 157 in quant. My total score is 308. Like, I'm pursuing my BTech in computer science from the Anand Sagar University. I'm from Bangalore and I'm planning to go for the fall intake of 2021 in the field of MS in cybersecurity. Byju's Career Labs actually came to my college. They had a seminar on opportunities of higher studies in other countries. So it was actually a very interesting session, and I actually was already previously involved in Byju's course for, I guess, CET. So I knew how they worked and how professional they were. So I chose Byju's Career Labs over others. In the seminar, I actually met Ms. Rajeshwari, who's my mentor. So the thing is, the moment we were done with the seminar, there were a lot of questions in my mind. So I actually was planning to go abroad from a very long time. So I had a lot of questions. I had all the questions ready in my mind. So the doubt solving was done in a very well organized and well structured manner. And I got all my doubts cleared. And it was more like a friendly experience, more like a casual talk amongst friends. So like she made me extremely comfortable, and I was able to actually get all my doubts cleared on that day itself. Well, the tablet videos in quality were brilliant. They were they were extremely slow, well structured, and they assumed that we know nothing. So they started from scratch, and they went into very good amount of detail in every single topic. And the module-wise tests, exercises, etc. were also really good. They actually helped you grasp that or gain a foothold in the knowledge part of that particular topic. One good part about the structure that we followed for the GRE sessions or classes were actually the live webinars. So live webinars actually involved more of an interactive learning experience along with the doubt clarification session. So they were really different from your tablet sessions, as in the live webinars they actually teach you how to optimize your time. So they actually used to give you tactics on how to reduce the time taken to solve a particular problem. So tips, tricks, strategies, etc. were mainly focused on in the live webinars. So they actually helped me in my preparation a lot, because I used to struggle because I used to take a lot of time in solving math problems. Verbal, I didn't take a lot of time, but then I used to struggle in math. So that actually live webinars actually helped me in it. The response from the test prep team was actually very nice. Like most of the time, these webinars, test prep team made sure that I got all the recorded sessions if I missed any webinars, any materials, any handouts, etc. And the best part was their fast response. Whenever you send an email, they would reply back at least within around 4 to 5 hours. And that actually helped me a lot, because sometimes when I actually had doubts and I had to clarify it instantly, so I was able to connect with the test prep people and maybe get a call, I guess, to sort out my problems, and they used to reply it very fast also. A word of advice, I'd actually really say focus on verbal. So what I did was, I actually started preparing for GRE, I guess, a month before the actual exam. It was quite less time, so I had very less time to prepare. So I mainly focused on the live webinars, and then I used to have tab content just in case I don't know that particular topic. I mainly used to try out different mock tests from GRE, from Byju's, from different other companies to mainly get a foothold on how the exam will how the exam structure actually happens. So primarily focus on verbal. Even if you're good at math, you don't need to be great at math. Even if you're good at math, you'll easily get above 155 or even maybe a 160. I am naturally weak at math and I got a 157. So that's what, focus on verbals because verbals is the toughest part about GRE according to me.